Welcome back, everyone. While the other members join us one by one, I think we will start with the questions. I can already see anyone who's got a question, please raise your hands. And I also request you to, turn on your cameras if possible, so that we'd like to see you when you ask the question. It's always nice to have a face behind a name. Arya Sharma. Arya, come. Please ask your.
Yes, ma'am. So, good morning, everyone. So, my question is that sometimes when we introduce new characters in the story, we kind of have to give a backstory. That makes the story sometimes a bit boring from the perspective of the writer. But while we think with the perspective of a reader, I think that it's important to include the purpose. So, can you just tell me how I can do that without making it boring? And regarding the story that I've written, I have introduced few characters that are both living and non-living. That has a very strong meaning behind them. But at the end, I have myself written the what do we call? I have myself explained the purpose. I have explained the symbolism myself. So should I do it or just completely leave it to the reader how they want to connect to the story?
Answer to your last question first. Do I explain the symbols that I have used? Right? Answer is, am I audible? Can you hear me? What's your name? Come again.
Yes. Arya, you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Arya.
Arya.
So, what I was telling? Arya, what I was telling about symbols, right? The question is, do I explain the symbols that I have used? यही है ना आर्या, क्वेश्चन यही है ना, प्लेन एंड सिंपल. ठीक है, तो बेटा पहले ये सिंबल होता क्या है और क्यों यूज करते हो इसको?
आप अपनी कहानी से एक एग्जांपल दो हमें आर्या. व्हाट सिंबोलिज्म किस चीज का है आपकी कहानी में? देन वील बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन बेटर.
मैम लाइक जो मेरी स्टोरी है उसमें मैंने एक ट्री को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. Throughout the story, that tree did not had any sort of flowerings and all of that. But at the end, I've concluded that it has started blooming. तो उस चीज का मैंने पूरा explain किया है. That symbolizes the new beginning of the characters. So my question is that, and it's not only that, there were many instances that I have used. So उसमें my question is कि should I do that or should I just completely leave it to the reader?
My answer will be, in 99% of the case, leave it to the reader. है ना? ये सिंबल आप क्यों यूज करते हो? ये पहले सोचो ना. हम इसलिए ये, व्हाट इज अ सिंबल आफ्टर ऑल? इज समथिंग रिप्रेजेंटिंग समथिंग एल्स. यही है ना सिंबल, है ना? लोटस है, लोटस प्योरिटी की सिंबल है. व्हाइट कलर है, व्हाइट कलर प्योरिटी की सिंबल है. रेड कलर है, ब्रेविटी की सिंबल है. यही है ना? द सिंबल बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग एल्स. ठीक है ना? तो ये अगर आपको बोलना ही पड़ रहा है तो स्टोरी उतना पावरफुल नहीं होगा. The writer need not tell everything. Give something to the readers to figure it out, right? Often what happens, the readers will not get the meaning of the symbol immediately. Often it happens, right? Have you watched films of Satyajit Ray or Hrithik Ghatak or anybody, any good director? You will find several scenes which do not actually connect with the story immediately, right? But when you grow up, when you look at that film again, when you view that film again, you will suddenly remember, okay, ये scene था, ये scene में ये दिखाया था, right? तो मेरा कहना ये है कि of course use symbols. Don't overdo it, of course, but then use symbols. And that's what writers should do. And don't tell that this means this by yourself. leave the readers to figure it out. है ना? ये उन पे छोड़ो. ये pleasure of finding the meaning of the symbol and linking to the story should be entirely of the readers. Am I clear? अब पहली क्वेश्चन दोबारा बताओ. ये तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन था. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या था?
सर मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये था कि जब हम न्यू कैरेक्टर्स किसी स्टोरी में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो उसमें हमें उन कैरेक्टर्स की बैक स्टोरी देनी पड़ती है कि वो
बैक
क्यों
स्टोरी
इंट्रोड्यूस किया
मैं
जा रहा है.
डिटेल में दूं या शॉर्ट में दूं? बैक स्टोरी देना तो जरूरी है. इफ दैट कैरेक्टर डिमांड्स द बैक स्टोरी, है ना? So for example, you are writing a very short fiction. In that you have taken a character of, say, a beggar. Okay, it's a very short fiction. So if you want to give a backstory to that beggar, then probably that pithiness will not be there. Pithiness समझती हो? छोटी में बहुत ज्यादा बात कहना, है ना? तो वो नहीं रहेगा. Because you will spend more words, more effort in giving the backstory. It will depend on how big and what is the scope of the story. That's first. Right? और बैक स्टोरी अगर इंटरेस्टिंग है तो उसको डिटेल में डील करो, है ना? अगर कैरेक्टर बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सेवान है, which normally people are not normally, right? गुस्सा एक आध बार आ जाता है, बट हर टाइम गुस्से में थोड़ी ना रहेगा आदमी, है ना? अगर एक आदमी रहता है, that precisely mean there is something behind it, some story, something, some event which has led to his character. Right. So in order to establish that character in that story or novel or film, whatever, right, you need to have a backstory. That's the importance. But don't overdo it. Story से backstory अगर ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है तो backstory story हो जाता है कि नहीं? उसे ज्यादा बड़ा मत करो, but it is important. Okay? चलो.
मुझे ये भी लगता है कि बैक स्टोरी को कहीं कहीं स्निपेट्स में बता देने से काम कई बार चल जाता है. एक छोटा छोटा एक फैक्टर आपने कहीं डाला, एक फैक्टर आपने कहीं डाला, वो बताने से भी काम चल जाता है. बट जैसे जस्ट लाइक डॉक्टर चैटर्जी सेड, अगर हमारा फोकस बहुत ज्यादा बैक स्टोरी पे हो गया तो हमारा मेन प्लॉट जो है उससे डिफरेंट हम चले जाएंगे. सिमिलरली आपने जहाँ सिंबल्स की बात की डॉक्टर चैटर्जी, देयर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग जो मैं यहाँ बोलना चाहूंगी कि एक कहानी जो है जब तक वो आपके पास है वो आपकी कहानी है. वंस दैट स्टोरी गोज आउट और वो रीडर के पास चली जाती है तो वो रीडर की कहानी बन जाती है. फिर उस कहानी को कैसे इंटरप्रेट करना है ना, वो रीडर के ऊपर छोड़ देना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक वही डॉक्टर चैटर्जी ने भी सिंबल्स के लिए बोला कि क्यों नहीं समझाने हैं, क्योंकि नाउ लेट दैट स्टोरी बिकम द रीडर स्टोरी और हर रीडर उसे एक अलग तरीके से इंटरप्रेट करेगा. सो right, so thank you Dr. Chatterjee, thank you Arya. Anyone else if you've got a question, so you can raise your hand. किसी और के पास कोई सवाल है पूछने के लिए? नहीं तो मैं क्विकली, अगर कोई हाथ नहीं रेज करा, मैं क्विकली एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी. लावण्या, you have another question. Okay, please come ahead. आ जाइए.
Ma'am, if we're writing a story and we have multiple characters in the story, we want to show two different.
I just lost the audio in between. Lavanya, I lost the audio in
Yeah,
between.
Lavanya, I think we lost your audio. Can you just ask the question again? I think she got dropped out. Maybe she'll join again. Anyone else? Do you have a question? Anyone's got a question? Okay, so yeah, there she is. Lavanya? Okay, Lavanya? Yeah, you got dropped out. So, पूछिए, हाँ जी. Please ask your question.
Ma'am, if we are writing a story with two different characters and we want to show two point of view simultaneously and we're switching between the POVs. So if we have a main character and we suddenly want to switch after ending that chapter, we want to switch to the side character's point of view through first person. How do we do that without it seeming a little too obvious or suddenly going from a high to a low?
Okay, so Dr.
You can. You can. I mean, look here. It's all about your plan. How do you put the story across? Okay. If in your scheme of things, the second point of view is required, then please go ahead. इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं, कोई स्टोरी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. बहुत सारी स्टोरीज मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे सकता हूं, ऐसा हुआ है ना. माइनर कैरेक्टर्स एक मेजर ब्रिज के तरह काम करते हैं, बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है ना. तो ये बिल्कुल आपकी स्टोरी के रिक्वायरमेंट जैसा है, आप जैसे इसको बनाया, ढांचा जैसे आपने बनाया है, द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ द स्टोरी दैट यू हैव बिल्ट, according to that, if a minor character needs to be a focus at a given point of time, please do that. है ना? इसमें
Yes,
कोई
sir.
हर्ज.
So what
Thank you.
Dr. Chatterjee is saying, Lavanya, is that there is no harm in having multiple POVs. And it is not like your main character will be overshadowed, क्योंकि आपकी जो plot है उसमें तो main character की ही story is the major outline. तो वैसा नहीं होगा. You can always have multiple POVs. There is
मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा सोनिया जी.
हाँ जी.
मानो कि आप एक स्टोरी करते हो एक दंगे की सेटिंग पे, है ना, कम्युनिटी क्लास हो गया, एक सेटिंग पे कर सकते हो. वहां कितना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होगा, सोचो ना. हर साइड की एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होगी, है ना. आप एक मेजर कैरेक्टर को ले रहे हो, उसकी स्टोरी बता रहे हो, लेकिन वो मेजर स्टोरी की जो वॉइस है उसको फ्रेम करने में और उसको प्रोनाउंस्ड करने में आपको और सारी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज की भी जरूरत होगी. विदाउट दैट इट विल नॉट कम अप. यू गेट माय पॉइंट, लावण्या?
Yes, sir.
सो प्लीज गो अहेड, नो इशू.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you
That's
so
very
much.
good example actually. That if you are giving the story of a place जहाँ पे riots हुए or something, you will have different characters जो अपने POV से उस story को समझाएंगे, उसे forward लेके जाएंगे. And as we know, एक situation के आसपास perspectives बहुत सारे होते हैं. So I think in fact, Dr. Chatterjee, I think जितने ज्यादा perspectives हम दिखाएंगे, हमारी story उतनी enriching हो जाती है. उसी same incidents को कई जगह से कई perspectives से दिखाना makes it all the more enriching. Is there any more question, children? Because we are short of time. Dr. Chatterjee also has to leave us. All right. So in that case, Dr. Chatterjee, I would request you that any observations from your end or closing words, from your side to the children, we can of course organize more sessions if आपके पास time हो and if the children want. But anything from your end?
Three things. One, I like the zeal and the, how do I put it, zeitgeist एक word है, ये यहाँ appropriate है. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जिस फ्लेयर से they try to write the stories. Some of them got more carried away with something that they have read or something influenced them. That's a different issue. But then the flow, the interest, the enthusiasm was all vigil. That's a very good thing. Second, जो observation मुझे लगा, जो कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग, इसकी नीटी ग्रिटी में पहले इतने मत उलझो. पहले जो आपके दिल में आता है, जो दिल चाहता है वही कर लो. ये कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग वो बाद में आएगा, जब बाल सफेद होंगे ना तब आएगा, अभी नहीं. बिल्कुल. Third thing that I felt strongly, that the students who are very serious about writing, they should catch up with more reading. जितना पढ़ोगे ना बेटा, उतना ये फर्टाइल हो जाएगा, और ये जितना फर्टाइल हो जाएगा, ज्यादा आइडियाज भी आएंगे, है ना. ये तीन बातें मुझे बताना था. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much, Dr. Chatterjee. I think this is from my end, but I would like Vandana, she's here. I would like her to join us, and before we close this session, she would like to say a few words. Would you like to join from here, Vandana?
Hello.
Money.
Heartiest congratulations to all. First of all, it was a very nice gesture on part of Dr. Mrinal also, that he's taken the time, and thank you so much, sir. I understand that when you read stories, especially when children are writing, you have a lot of ideas and a lot of feedback to share with them. And this is one step where we as Keekly Trust and as a team, we've taken it upon ourselves to sort of go on skill building, because ideally when a competition ends and the winners are selected, that's the end of it. So there's no feedback and there's no interaction with children. And especially working with children and trying to engage them and telling them how to be their own first editors is important for us. So hence this whole 1 year process, it takes us 1 year to complete the project. And then the one-on-one sessions, we are able to guide them through their specific stories, what they have missed and all in terms of the plot sharing, in terms of character building, dialogues. And this is the step where the learning part comes in. That's the importance of this whole exercise, what we do. And we're very thankful to you that you've taken the time to interact with children. And thank you to Sonia also, that she's a very integral part of our trust from the very beginning. So I hope, children, you had your answers, your questions answered. And in the future also, we'll do some offline webinars also, since we have a lot of local students from Shimla city. We can do an offline session for them here at a designated time and schedule. And if you want, we can have online once more. And in due process, Sonia and I will be talking to each and every one of you, and we'll be taking this process further. So by the end of the year, like usually our promise is 14th of November, we should have the book ready, and we'll be communicating with you. And if you have any other questions, you can share it in the group. The group is open, and we'll take it forward from there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. It's lovely to talk to the kids. Lovely.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you.
actually a very kind of enlightening experience to talk to the young children. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Chatterjee. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. And we'll see you soon. And we'll get down to the process of getting the book out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.